Hello guys, so continue natin ito. We are now on 373, 373 문제 of the POEA reviewer reading part. Okay, so 시작합시다. Let's start. So 이 신발은, okay, 이 means this. Okay, so example, 이 가방. Okay, this bag. 이 computer. Okay, this computer. 이 check. Okay, this book. So dito, 이 신발. So 신발, yes. 신발 means shoes. Okay. So cup to, okay, cup guys, it means price. So hindi siya one word po ha. So itong do, one of the particles, and it just means also or to. Okay. Usually guys, pag yung marker is to, expect na yung grammar mo sa gitna is may ku. Okay, it means and. Okay, so as you observe po dito sa mga choices, meron tayong saku, okay, sada yung verb dito, tapos kinonjugate into go, it means and. Okay, hindi po siya one word guys, combination po siya ng sada, okay, sada which means to be cheap, no? Cheap, and dito not, okay, napku, it means low guys, no? Low and, okay, chakko, okay, chakko means small, from the verb chakta, okay, small, and then chupko, okay, chupko, jubayo, narrow, okay, so narrow, and so itong end guys lahat, ito po yung ko, okay. So I hope naintindihan nyo po siya kasi hindi po siya one word. Okay. So again, yung instead na yung supposed to be yung marker dapat is e, di ba? Usually. So you can say kapsi, saan ka man nyo? Okay. Ito. Kapsi. Okay. So e sana yung marker. Pag siya lang isa. Okay. Dito kasi ku, so pag ku, yung marker usual is may do. Okay, dito rin sa next niya. Okay, so jil to. Okay, so dito guys, hindi siya one word. Combination po siya ng jil, which means, okay, jil means quality. And to also. Okay, so 좋습니다. Okay, 좋습니다 from the verb 좋다, which means to be good or nice. Okay, so good, no? Good also yung quality. Okay, and ano ba yung tamang sagot guys? Talking about the price. Okay, ano ba yung pwede mong ipares or related na word sa kanya? 갑도 주봐요. Okay, 그렇게 하면 돼요. So can we do that? Can we say that? Oh. Hindi po guys, no, kasi itong gap wala po siyang relation sa word na chupta, no? Hindi po siya narrow. You cannot say that the price is narrow. Okay, so mali po yung number 4. Okay, 3번 작고. Can we say that the price is small? Okay. Hindi po, no? So therefore, mali po yung number 3. Okay. Can we say that the price is low? No, we cannot say that. Itong nakta, okay, nakta, hindi po siya related sa word na gap. Okay? 관계가 없습니다. Wala po silang relation. So therefore, mali yung number 2. So therefore guys, number 1 yung tamang sagot natin dito, no? So 1번은 정답입니다. Okay, itong number 1. Okay, we can say that the price is cheap. Okay, so 이 신발은 값도 싸고 질도 좋습니다. Okay. So, therefore, nakuha na natin yung tamang sagot dito pa lang sa first line. If alam nyo po yung vocabs, guys, no, that is why very important na marami kayong baon na vocabs sa actual examination para madali sa inyo yung exam. Okay, mahirap yung exam pag kulang kayo sa vocabularies. Okay, and then magiging gamit lang yung mga techniques na tinuturo ng mga iba, kung sino man yung nagtuturo ng mga techniques, pag marami kayong vocabs. Okay, so, 그래서 okay, that's why, or so that's why 사람들이 많이, okay, 많이 삽니다. Okay, 사람들이 people, okay, 많이, okay, 많이 means a lot, 삽니다. Okay, 삽니다 from the verb 사다, which means to buy. Okay, so that is why guys, sorry. Okay, that is why bumibili daw ng marami ang mga tao. Kasi good, no? Good yung quality at saka saan ba yun? Tsaka mura yung price ng sapatos na ito. Okay. So, uri, okay, uri 백화점에. Okay, uri means our in this context. It can also means we or us, depende sa context. But in this context, guys, it means our. Aming 백화점. Okay, 백화점 means department store. Okay. 백화점에. Okay. In this context, A is apostrophe S. Okay, department stores. Yan. Ingi. Okay, ingi, popular. Okay. 상품. Okay, 상품 means product. Imnida is. Okay. So, it is a popular product. Okay. A product popular or popular product of our department store. Okay, yun po yung thought to guys. 우리 백화점의 인기 상품입니다. Okay. So, 다시 한번 정답 1번입니다. Okay, so 374번 문제. Okay, so 374. 날씨가 흐린 날은 낮에도 사무실이 땡. 그래서 불을 켜야 합니다. Okay. So, 날씨, okay, which means weather. So, you can take note, guys. Okay, ka particle lang po yan, guys. No, subject particle. Ang weather, ganun. 흐린, from the verb 흐리다, which means to be cloudy. Okay, yung original form niya, guys, is 흐리다. Okay, which means to be cloudy. Okay, so, itong niyon, naging modifier form po siya, guys. No? It just means sa Tagalog na, meaning cloudy na nal. Okay, it means day. Okay, so 흐린 날 means cloudy day. Okay, 흐린 날. Okay, cloudy day. Topic marker. So 흐린 날은 낮에도 낮에. Not guys, not. It means daytime. Sa araw. Okay. Edo, okay, means on daytime. Then do, as what I have said kanina guys, it means also. So meaning, also on daytime, okay. 사무실 means office. Then, subject particle, it means ang. So, ang office daw, also sa daytime, okay, blank. Okay. So, 날씨가 흐린 날은. So, sa cloudy day, so pag cloudy day yung weather, also sa office, anong mangyayari guys? Yes, it's dark. So, how can you say madilim in Korean? Okay. 넓다, which means to be wide, no? So, 넓습니다. Okay, hindi po guys. 밝습니다. 밝다, which means to be bright. Pag cloudy day, maliwanag ba sa office? Hindi, no? Okay? So, a닙니다. 무겁습니다. Which means to be heavy. Okay? So, hindi rin po guys. Hindi rin po number 3. 어둡습니다. Okay? 어둡습니다. Which means to be dark. So, ito po yung tamang sagot natin guys. Number 4 po yung tamang sagot natin dito. 그래서 means so, that's why. 불. Okay, 불 means light. 두 가지 뜻이 있습니다. May dalawa siyang meaning guys. So, pwede siyang fire, 그리고 light. Depende sa context. Okay. 켜야 합니다. 켜다 which means, okay, 켜다 which means to turn on. Okay, turn on. Then, itong 야합니다. Okay, grammatical structure which means have to or must. Okay, so you have to turn on the lights. Okay, kasi, bakit? dark yung samushil, yung office. Also, sa daytime. Kailan? Kapag araw na cloudy yung weather. Okay. So, I hope nakuha po siya, guys.